Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to ask GitHub Copilot to write code. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is to make sure that you have already GitHub Copilot into your VS Code. So here, open VS Code. After that, we will be needing to go to GitHub Copilot. You can simply search for GitHub Copilot in your search engine and then go to the first link and then it will take you to get started for free. We can click on this. You can just simply find this install Copilot in your favorite code editor. You can find all these code editors. In my case, I'm using Visual Studio Code. You click on install and basically then it will install it. So in VS Code, you will start finding the Copilot messages from here. So make sure to get into Copilot from here. So now I'm just going to start open a file or create just a file. So let's just create a text file and let's just save it and let's make it here, GitHub, and let's make sure it is JS or whatever. And basically now we have this. We can simply go now to Copilot and now we can go to the chat. So as you can see, now it is already seeing uh, this uh, file and I'm just going create hello world code. And from here, we're just going to wait and basically now it is clicking or creating code and simply you can apply it to this one and now we can start adding this code to our console or to our file. And as you can see, you can uh, choose any place that you want to add this one and basically I have the Vmotions and now let's just do like that and you can simply do like this and you can add to cursor etc. And by that you can start adding code with Copilot. So thank you for watching and see you next time.